Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Introduction to Public Speaking. Lecture 5. Effective Delivery Techniques. Effective delivery techniques are essential for successful presentations. There are 3 main aspects to consider: verbal delivery skills, nonverbal communication, and using visual aids effectively. Utilizing vocal variety and emphasis can enhance the impact of your presentation. In conclusion, employing effective delivery techniques is essential for delivering a successful speech. These techniques include clear and confident communication, appropriate body language, vocal variety, eye contact, and engaging the audience. By mastering these skills, you can effectively convey your message, capture the attention of your listeners, and maintain their interest throughout the presentation. Verbal delivery skills. Verbal delivery skills include voice production, articulation, and pacing. Speak clearly and confidently to ensure your message is heard. Vary your pace to keep your audience engaged. In conclusion, mastering verbal delivery skills is crucial for becoming an effective and persuasive speaker. These skills include proper enunciation, pacing, tone, volume, and clarity of speech. By paying attention to these aspects, you can ensure that your message is clearly understood and engaging for your audience. Additionally, utilizing appropriate pauses, emphasizing key points, and varying your vocal inflections can add depth and impact to your speech. Nonverbal communication. Nonverbal communication includes body language, gestures, and eye contact. Use gestures to emphasize your points and make your presentation more dynamic. Maintain eye contact to build trust and establish a connection with your audience. In conclusion, understanding and harnessing the power of nonverbal communication is vital for effective communication and impactful presentations. Nonverbal cues such as body language, facial expressions, gestures, and eye contact can convey emotions, establish rapport, and reinforce the message being delivered. By being aware of and controlling your nonverbal signals, you can enhance your credibility, establish trust, and engage your audience on a deeper level. Using visual aids, effective visual aids such as slides, props, and multimedia can enhance your presentation. Keep your visual aids simple and easy to understand. Use visuals to support your message, not distract from it. In conclusion, using visual aids effectively can greatly enhance the impact and understanding of your presentation. Visual aids such as slides, charts, images, and videos can complement your spoken words, provide visual support, and help convey complex information in a more accessible way. By incorporating well-designed and relevant visual aids, you can capture and maintain your audience's attention, increase retention of key points, and facilitate comprehension. Utilizing vocal variety and emphasis. Vocal variety and emphasis can add impact to your presentation. Use changes in tone and pitch to highlight important points. Emphasize keywords or phrases to make them stand out. In conclusion, utilizing vocal variety and emphasis is a powerful technique for capturing and maintaining audience attention during a speech. By varying your tone, pitch, volume, and pace, you can add depth, energy, and emotion to your delivery. Using vocal variety effectively helps to convey meaning, highlight important points, and engage listeners on an emotional level. Emphasizing keywords or phrases through changes in volume or emphasis can also help to reinforce your message and make it more memorable.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.